This JEE question looks deceptively simple. A car travels the first half of the journey at 40 kilometers per hour, and the remaining half at 60 kilometers per hour. Now, here's the interesting part. If your first instinct is to say that the average speed is 50 kilometers per hour, then you've just made one of the most common mistakes in physics and in JEE. But don't worry. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, you'll understand exactly why this happens, and you'll never make this mistake again. Welcome back to the Motion in a Straight Line numerical series. Let's begin. Let's assume that the total distance between the two places is s. Since the car covers the first half of the journey at 40 kilometers per hour, the distance traveled in the first part is s by 2. The remaining s by 2 distance is covered at 60 kilometers per hour. Now, we know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. If we rearrange this equation, we get time is equal to distance divided by speed. Let t1 be the time taken by the car to cover the first half of the journey. So, t1 equals s by 2 divided by 40. On simplifying, t1 equals s by 80 hours. Similarly, let t2 be the time taken to cover the second half of the journey. Then, t2 equals s by 2 divided by 60. On simplifying, t2 equals s by 120 hours. Now, let's calculate the total time taken by the car to cover the entire distance s. The total time is simply the sum of t1 and t2. So, total time equals s by 80 plus s by 120. On simplifying, we get total time equals s by 48 hours. Now, let's revisit the formula for average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. The total distance traveled is s, and the total time taken is s by 48. Substituting these values, average speed equals s divided by s by 48. The s in the numerator and denominator cancels out. Therefore, average speed equals 48 kilometers per hour. So, the correct answer is 48 kilometers per hour, which is option C. Notice something interesting here. Even though the two speeds are 40 and 60 kilometers per hour, the average speed is not 50 kilometers per hour. That's because the car spends more time traveling at the slower speed than at the faster speed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more physics lessons made simple. In the next video, we'll solve this interesting JEE numerical, so don't miss it. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.